Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about 5 things I hate about this Nissan GTR. I don't hate it, but I found 5 things that kind of annoy me, so let's hop into the video. So starting at number 5, it is the clunky transmission. So at first, when I first got this, it was clunky so bad, it was ticking so bad. I thought that the car was breaking down because, you know, a lot of people said that, oh yeah, from 09 to 16, it's gonna clunk and then it's gonna be like pretty noisy. But then I didn't know that it was this bad. Like you'll hear it every time you go first gear and every time when you're leaving first gear, and especially reverse, guys. Every GTR owner from 09 to 16 will relate to this. I'm not sure about 2017 plus, but the 09 to the 16, it's pretty bad, especially reverse. Those like the car is gonna break down. So hopping into number 4, this part is pretty annoying. It is the seat. So as you guys may know, on the GTR, it has like a metal piece right here to hold you in place, but then like this thing is super annoying. Sometimes I feel like the seat is gonna rip because this metal bar is pretty thick, and then you can also see it too. But then they also don't really matter because you can also get aftermarket seats, and then boom, problem solved. So hopping into number 3, you guys might flame me for this. You guys are probably gonna say, oh, this car is not meant for comfort. Number 3 is the ride quality. I feel like the ride quality should have been a little bit better because considering this as a $100,000 car, even though this is a 2015, MSRP was like $103,000. The ride quality kind of sucks. I know you guys may say, oh, but that's not the main purpose, you know, but for the price, Nissan should have done like a little bit better. So hopping into number 2, this is so annoying that I found it super annoying. It is the trunk lock. Like the Nissan GTR's trunk, it doesn't even work. And then also GTR, they don't have a trunk key to open it at the back. You have to go to the passenger side on the foot, lift up all of those floor mats, and then grab this key and then go inside and then unlock it. I'll show you guys right now. So what you're gonna do is to come inside on the passenger side, lift this mat all the way up, and then there's this thing. I know that most people don't know. So this thing opens up like this, you pull it up, and then boom, your key for the trunk should be right here. I didn't even know until I was doing some research. And then you stick your key in here, twist it hard, and then the trunk should open. So I found this super annoying because my key fob, the trunk doesn't work. I'm not sure if it's a loose cable or something, but then it's a hassle, guys. You gotta go into the passenger seat, lift all those things up, open it, and then put all of those floor mats back again. And then if you close on it on accident, you have to go back and redo it. There's one thing that I hate about the trunk. So hopping into the last one, it is not a hate towards the car or anything, but then this is what I hate the most about having this GTR if you need maintenance, guys. People tend to overcharge you just because it's a GTR. This is like the same work as like any other Nissan car, like a Nissan Altima oil change. Like this oil change, if you could change your Honda Civic oil change, this should be nothing to you. This is super basic and super easy to do your oil change, transmission, fluid change, your rear and front diff change, but then people be overcharging it. Like Nissan, I took this car to Nissan, they quoted me $2,100 just for a transmission fluid change, front and rear diff fluid change. That is crazy, guys. But make sure you guys go to like a reputable shop that you guys trust and like a well-known one, and hopefully they don't charge you guys an arm and a leg. Don't get me wrong though, guys, I truly love this Nissan GTR. It is my dream car. I love the car to death. It is also a lot of people's dream car, you know, so I cherish this car like my little baby, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it was super hard to come up with 5 things that I hate or dislike about this car, but then the Toyota Supra, it is pretty easy to come up with 5 things I hate about the Toyota Supra. My expectation was a little bit too high on the Toyota Supra, so stay tuned, subscribe on that video. I'll probably make it soon. Comment down below which car you guys will love to see more often in my YouTube channel. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, smash the like button and subscribe button. Check out my channel. If you guys like any of my content, consider subscribing. Anyways, I'll see you guys on another video. So dream big and inspire.